Assalamualaikum and good day to Doctor. So my name is CHY3401. I will be the representative of my group to present the infographic assignment. So based on the topics that have been given, we all have discussed and choose the challenge one, which is the environmental analysis. So a little bit about environmental analysis that we will study, which is the pollution, which is the pollution that release chemical into water. So the issue that we have studied is Nestle that manufacturing Sdn Berhad Malaysia, Sdn Berhad was fined with 90,000 by the Session Court in Shah Alam on December 24, 2020. This is due to the Nestle manufacturing discharging industrial effluent in excess of the allowable limit. So we already searched for the news, which is Nestle that fined with 90,000 for environmental pollution. So the causes of this issue is first, the company are releasing 5 types of industrial effluent containing biochemical oxygen demand, which is BOD, into inland water. This cause the releasing concentrated chemical oxygen into inhaled inland water. So this makes the water become polluted. So due to this, there is no clear factor lead to this problem, but Nestle has accepted full responsible for this incident. So they are willingly to pay the 90,000 to the as their take responsibility for the pollution that they have created. So the Nestle has affected the environmental, which is first, industrial effluent contains pollutants that can contaminate water, disrupting ecosystem balance and causing the death of aquatic organisms. So the second effect about due to the Nestle's action, which is have significant health risk, including gastrointestinal issues, skin irritation, and poisoning to human. So it also affect the groundwater contamination also occur, affecting drinking water and communities' well-being. And the third effect, which is the eutrophication and excessive growth of algae and aquatic plants that can lead to dead zones, causing several ecological consequences and disrupting the overall health of the aquatic ecosystem. So we already make an analysis to overcome the effect that have been caused by the water that by the chemical that have been released to water by the Nestle manufacturing. So we have decided ways to overcome, which is first one is encourage research and development. It means that invest in research and development to explore new technologies and methods for wastewater treatment and pollution control. So the Nestle company can encourage research and development, so they can handle the release of gas to the water, so that it will not jeopardize the water and also the environmental. So the second way is to overcome, which is improve effluent treatment facilities. It can be done by Nestle should invest in upgrading their effluent treatment facilities. This is to ensure that the effluent release meets the required environmental standards. So this include implementing advanced filtration systems, chemical treatment processes, and regular maintenance of the treatment infrastructure structure. And the third one is implement waste minimization strategies. So Nestle should adopt waste minimization strategies within their operations. This can involve optimizing production process, which is to reduce waste generation, implement recycling programs for materials and water. And the last one is to exploring ways to reuse the repurposed waste byproducts. So we also have analysis the data from report before, which is from data at 2020. So in 2020, a report named Nestle is one of the world's biggest producer of plastic waste. This leads to claims of greenwashing by the company and a lack of urgency in developing solutions that minimize the company's impact on the environment. So we also found that the 3,000 million tons of plastic waste, almost equal to the weight of the entire human population. So it means that it's produced every year. Much of this ends up in the oceans and other bodies of water. As 93% of such waste in lower income countries is discarded through open dumping. So that is what we have read and analyze based on the problem challenge that we have took, which is the environmental analysis. So we can conclude that for the Nestle manufacturing Sendirian Berhad, the Nestle company should take action to prevent these problems from happening again. So they can do by following the suggested action that can greatly contribute to Nestle efforts in addressing environmental pollution. So the Nestle company also can do it by investigating in research and development to discover new technologies and methods for wastewater treatment. This is a good thing so that they will not repeat the same mistake, and they can release the chemical gas that will not affect the environmental, which is such as water and soil. So by doing this, the ongoing monitoring, evaluation, and continuous improvement are necessary for long-term environmental sustainability. So to avoid this from happening again, the Nestle company should the Nestle company should keep going to aware of the things that they will release to the environment. Either they can pollute, they can make what environmental jeopardize or something. So they should take action and reconsider the they should aware and handle it properly so that it will not affect the environmental. So that's all for our infographic presentation, which is about the environmental analysis. Thank you.